The revealed discount template allows you to display a coupon code when the form is successfully submitted. When the template opens in the builder, either turn Edit on to edit each widget right here in the preview area, or leave Edit off and edit widgets here in the Edit Widgets panel. Start by editing this logo and these icons. They're being displayed by this navbar widget. Click the pencil icon to edit the widget. Click the pencil icon to edit the logo. Click the trash can icon to delete the image that's currently there, and the plus sign to open the Media Manager. When the Media Manager opens, select your new image. If you like, update the URL it links to as well. To edit this text, edit the rich text widget called Headline. Edit the body text. To edit the entry form, click on the Edit Form icon to open the Form Designer. Here in the Form Designer, you can add, edit, and delete fields in your entry form. To edit the field labels, click and edit that text here. You can also edit a field settings here in the menu on the right. To configure how many times you'd like to allow each participant to enter, click Entry Restrictions at the top. You can turn entry restrictions off or change the entry allowances. Set up an alert to get a notification when an entry is submitted in your form. When you're done editing your form, click Save and Exit. Edit the thanks text. This is the text that will be revealed when the entry form is submitted. Be sure to add your discount code. Edit this Buttons widget to link to your website or online store. Next, configure the share settings. In the Share widget, select which share icons you'd like to display. If you're including Facebook in your share options, configure how your share post will look on Facebook by uploading an image that's 1200 by 630 pixels in size. Once you've customized the content within your landing page, use the Style panel to customize the look and feel of it. Start by choosing a new theme. To replace the background image, select the container displaying that background and edit it here. Finish styling your campaign. When you're done styling your landing page, click Preview to test it out. This template is paired with an autoresponder that is set up to send the discount code to each form entrant. Click the email icon to open the email manager, and then click the pencil icon to edit the autoresponder. In the editor, customize the text to display a static code, or connect codes list to display a unique code for each entrant. When you're ready to publish, click Publish Campaign and follow the prompts. As an option, customize the URL. Your landing page is live at this URL.